Good morning all. We have completed 3 modules of abstract algebra and today we are moving to the 4th module, rings and fields. We already know the concept of the algebraic structure. What's an algebraic structure? It's a non-empty set together with one or more operations. We have already studied one algebraic structure, group. Group is a non-empty set together with a single operation star, which has some certain properties. It's a closed operation. It satisfies the associative property. It satisfies the existence of identity property, and it satisfies the existence of inverse property. And a ring is an algebraic structure with 2 operations. And we can move to the definition of ring now. So we are moving to module 4, rings and fields, and the first concept is rings. And the definition of rings is: a ring is an algebraic structure R plus dot consisting of a non-empty set capital R and 2 binary operations called addition and multiplication, denoted respectively by plus and dot defined on R, such that the following axioms known as ring axioms are satisfied. R1, R plus is an abelian group. R2, multiplication is associative. For R3, for any a comma b comma c element of R, a dot b plus c is equal to a dot b plus a dot c, which is left distributive law. A plus b dot c is equal to a dot c plus b dot c, which is right distributive law. We have group have 4 axioms. Here rings have 3 axioms. And the first axiom, here 2 operations are there, plus and dot, and with respect to 2 operation, it's binary. So we have to show that plus and dot are closed with respect to closed in this group. Now second, R1 is R plus is an abelian group. That is, we have to show that with respect to plus, it's associative, existence identity exists, and existence of inverse. These 3 properties we have to show. In R2, multiplication is associative. That is, with respect to dot, the group is associative. And R3, we have to show that its left and right distributive laws satisfied. Now we have a problem. Prove that the following sets of numbers are rings with respect to ordinary addition and multiplication. The first, so the operation is plus and dot, and the group and the non-empty set is different for 6 different non-empty sets. So first set is the set Z of integers. Second, the set E of all even integers including 0. Third, the set MZ of all integral multiples of M. Fourth one, the set Q of all rational numbers. Fifth one, the set R of real numbers. Sixth one, the set C of all complex numbers. Now we are showing the first one. Remaining problems we have to prove in the similar way. So we are moving to prove the first one. So first we have to show R1. Before that, we have to show that the 2 operations are closed. So we know that the sum of 2 integers is again an integer. So that Z is closed with respect to addition. Also, the product of 2 integers is again an integer. So Z is closed with respect to multiplication. Thus, addition and multiplications are 2 binary compositions on Z. Now we have to prove R1. So for that we have to show that R1 is R plus is an abelian group. So here it is Z plus is an abelian group. For that we already proved the closure property. Now G1, the addition of integers is associative. So addition of integers is an associative composition, that is A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C for all A, B, C element of Z. Now we have to show the existence of identity. Which is the existence of identity? 0. The integer 0 such that a plus 0 is equal to a is equal to 0 plus a. for all A element of Z. Hence 0 element of Z is the additive identity. Now we have to show the existence of inverse for any A element of Z minus A element of Z, and A plus minus A is equal to 0, which is equal to minus A plus A. Hence the integer minus A element of Z is the additive inverse of A. Thus every element in Z has additive inverse. Now we have to show that this is an abelian group, we have to show the commutativity property. Addition of integers is commutative composition, that is A plus B is equal to B plus A for all A comma B element of Z. Hence Z plus is an abelian group satisfying the four properties. Now second one, R2, the multiplication of integers is an associative composition, that we know. Therefore A, B, C is equal to A into BC for all A comma B comma C element of Z. Now we have to show the left and right distributive law. For that we know that for an A comma B comma C element of Z, A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC, and A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. Thus both left distributive and right distributive law are satisfied in Z. Therefore the set Z of all integers is a ring with respect to ordinary addition and multiplication. So we show that the R1 property, R2 property, R3 property. Therefore the ring of integers, the set of integers is a ring with respect to the operation addition and multiplication. Similar way, exactly in a similar way we can prove the 2 to 6, that is the set E of all integers is a ring with respect to ordinary addition and multiplication. The set MZ of integral multiple of n is a ring with respect to ordinary addition and multiplication. The set Q of all rational numbers, the set of all real numbers, and the set of all complex numbers are rings with respect to addition and multiplication. Next problem is, prove that the set of numbers a plus b root 2 where a and b are integers is a ring with respect to ordinary addition and multiplication as two compositions. Here also we have to prove the three axioms R1 and R2, R3, and we have to show that the two operations, ordinary addition and multiplication, are binary operation. So we have to first prove that they are binary operations. So let R is equal to a plus b root 2 where a comma b comma element of Z integers, and we took two elements, a1 plus b1 root 2 and a2 plus b2 root 2, any two elements of R. Then their sum a1 plus b1 plus root 2 plus a2 plus b2 root 2, which is equal to, we can combine the real term without radical term a1 plus a2 plus b1 plus b2 into root 2, which is element of R. Also we know that this is element of R because this a1 plus a2 is an integer and b1 plus b2 is also an integer. Hence R is closed with respect to addition. Now we have to take the product of that two numbers, a1 plus b1 root 2 into a2 plus b2 root 2, which is equal to, we can combine the without radical term. So a1 plus a1 into a2, a1 a2, b1 root 2 into b2 root 2, which is 2 b1 b2, a1 a2 plus 2 b1 b2. Now the root 2 terms is a1 b2 plus a2 b1 into root 2 element of R, since a1 a2 plus 2 b1 b2 is an element of Z and a1 b2 plus a2 b1 is an element of Z. Hence R is closed with respect to multiplication. Therefore addition and multiplications are two binary operations on R. Now we have to show the property R1, ring axiom R1. It's said that the R plus is an abelian group. For that we have to show that they are satisfies the group axiom G1, G2 and G3. First, since elements of R are all real numbers, the addition of real numbers is associative. Therefore the addition is associative in R. Now the element 0, which is we can return as 0 plus 0 root 2, which is element of R. then for any a plus b root 2 element of R, a plus b root 2 plus 0 is equal to a plus b root 2, which is equal to 0 plus a plus b root 2. Hence 0, that is equal to 0 plus 0 root 2 is element of R, is the additive identity element. Now for any a plus b root 2 element of R, we have minus a plus minus b root 2 element of R, and a plus b root 2 plus minus a plus minus b root 2 is equal to 0, which is also is equal to minus a plus minus b root 2 plus a plus b root 2. Thus every element of R has an additive inverse in R. Also, since elements of R are real numbers and addition of real numbers is commutative, the addition is commutative in R, hence R plus is an abelian group. Now we have to show the properties R2 and R3. Now the elements of R are real numbers, and we know that the multiplication of real numbers is associative. Hence multiplication is associative in R. Now we have to prove the left and right distribution laws. So that take three elements x, y and z from R. So for any x equal to a1 plus b1 root 2, y is equal to a2 plus b2 root 2, z equal to a3 plus b3 root 3, we have x into y plus z equal to a1 plus b1 root 2 into a2 plus b2 root 2 plus a3 plus b3 root 3. This is y, this is z. So x into y plus z. So we can write a1 plus b1 root 2 into, when we multiply 2 inside, this becomes a2 plus a3 plus b2 plus b3 into root 2. We can add the terms and split the terms into the rational and irrational part. That is a2 plus a3 plus b2 plus b3 root 2. Now this is equal to a1 into a2 plus a3 plus 2b1 into b2 plus b3 plus b1 into a2 plus a3 plus a1 into b2 plus b3 all into root 2, which we could write a1 plus b1 root 2 into a2 plus b2 root 2 plus a1 plus b1 root 2 into a3 plus b3 root 2, which is equal to xy plus xz. That is, the left distribution law is verified. Similarly, we can prove the right distribution law also. Therefore, the set R of numbers a plus b root 2, where a and b are integers, is a ring with respect to ordinary addition and multiplication as two compositions.